Here is how to create a Badoo account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a Badoo account on your phone. So let's start. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the Badoo app and make sure it is updated to the latest version as well. Then after, simply open the app. After you open the app, it will take you to the screen like this. You can either manually create your account or continue with your Google or Facebook account. For now, let's go with the manual method. First of all, you will have to select your gender. Then after, enter your name. Select the purpose why you are on the Badoo app. Then after, you will have to enter your birth date. Make sure you enter the correct date of birth or somewhere around your actual birth date because your age will be visible on your profile and it's best to use your actual age. As you enter your date of birth, there are two ways by which you can create a Badoo account. One is by using your Gmail and the other is by using your phone number. Let's go with sign up with mobile number. After that, enter your phone number and you will get a verification code. After you enter your phone number, you will get a call. Then after, it will ask you to enter the verification number. The verification number is the phone number by which you received the call. So as you can see, the first 5 digits are already written in here. Now you will have to enter the remaining digits of the phone number from which you received the call. You can see that the latest phone call that I got is +1872 015 6985. +1872 was already written on the verification screen. So I will have to enter the remaining phone number, which is 015 6985. As you enter the verification code, it will take you to the next screen. It will display a security code on your screen. Enter that particular code and then tap on continue. After you complete your security check, it will take you to a screen where you will have to confirm your preferences and other details. Select the appropriate details and tap on continue. Also make sure to upload your photos. Then it will ask you to create a password. Enter one and tap on let's go. After that, you will have to enter your location. Enter the location where you live and continue. As you do that, your Badoo profile will be successfully created and now you can use the app as you like. So in this way, you can create a Badoo account on your phone. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.